Top 10 hottest celebrity Snapchats to follow. These accounts are most followed if you're looking for streaming content. Welcome to Interesting Facts, and today we'll be counting down our picks for the top 10 sexiest celebrity Snapchat to follow. For this list, we'll be looking exclusively at the celebrity Snapchats accounts you should be following if you're interested in snaps with plenty of skin and sex appeal. Number 10. Demi Lovato. This actress and songwriter might have gotten her start on this show, Bernie and Friends, and come to wider attention thanks to her lead role in Camp Rock, but she's not a kid anymore. Demi Lovato has blossomed into a baby in her adult years, a woman confident in her image and comfortable with her body, now killing it so as a solo music artist with numerous hits under her belt. She has made a major impression on her fans worldwide with her talents. As one of her many followers, you will get a taste of her day-to-day life and either a funny snap or the perfect sexy selfie. Number 9. Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton became a household name in the early 2000s as a socialite turned reality TV star turned entrepreneur who built an empire around her glamorous lifestyle. And today the former simple life star continues to captivate her fans as a globe-trotting DJ. A mainstay on the Ibiza music scene, this beauty travels all around the world to perform and make sure to document her every move on Snapchat. While her followers are treated to plenty of beautiful views of exotic locations, they can also expect tons of stunning shots of the star herself, who never shies away from putting herself front and center in her snaps. She did invent the selfie after all. Number 8. Olivia Culpo. She may be best known for having dated Nick Jonas, but Olivia Culpo isn't one to stay in anyone's shadow. This former Miss Universe has amassed quite a following on Snapchat, thanks to a steady stream of snap stories that give followers a glimpse into the glamorous life of a model and actress. It doesn't hurt that she also happens to be one of the most gorgeous women in Hollywood, posting beautiful selfies and candid videos of her everyday life. This is one sexy star we just cannot get enough of. Eat your heart out, Nick. Number 7. Kylie Jenner. Better watch out Kim Kardashian. It's look like baby sis is bringing in her game to the table when it comes to her Snapchat account. On this platform, Kylie Jenner is known for giving sneak peeks of her ever-changing hair color as well as looks from her makeup line, with endless videos of swatch samples on her arms to promote her brand Kylie Cosmetics. Of course, she often commands the attention of her followers with snaps showcasing her bourgeois curves and provocative outfits. She is definitely not shy, but using the app to update her fans on how great she looks. Number 6. Gabrielle Union. Gabrielle Union is an American actress who you all remember most for her roles in the classic 90s teen films 10 Things I Hate About You and She's All That. Arguably her biggest breakthrough come when she starred in the classic cheerleader flick Bring It On in 2000. This beauty is often updating her account with snippets of her personal life, including some pretty adorable posts with her and her husband Johnny White, a basketball player whose most notable played for the Miami Heat and Cleveland Cavaliers. Her account isn't shot on selfies, but for snaps of the two of them in bed together you actually want to follow it. Number 5. Selena Gomez. It's little wonder that this pop star, actress and producer made it on our list with our 130 million followers on her Instagram account. She undeniably knows how to get people looking her way. Even while battling lupus and eventually even getting a kidney transplant, Gomez didn't shy away from her fans. Her account is very active with updates that give you a glimpse of her backstage life story of her day-to-day life and plenty of selfies, which wouldn't you know it often involves some rather eye-popping outfits and poses. Number 4. Shy Mitchell. Sadly, with the show having come to an end at the end of its 7th season, you can no longer catch this Canadian beauty on Pretty Little Liars. For those desperate to get their Shy Mitchell fix, we recommended giving her a follow as she is always sharing her life with her followers. There you can move beyond Emily, her character from the show, and get more familiar with Mitchell's modeling, world traveling, and the book she released entitled Bliss. Interspersed amongst these little insights into her life, you will also find plenty of photos of the star to make you swoon. Number 3. Gigi Hadid. Gigi's glamorous lifestyle won't make anyone jealous, but thankfully you can tag along as this bumble shell takes her flowers everywhere from backstage at the runway to her travels around the world. These stunning beauty's looks are well documented. Gigi is known for structuring her stuff with Victoria's Secret as well as for working hand in hand Tommy Hilfiger. Her snaps regularly include snippets of her living it up with her equally awesome family, including her supermodel sister Bella and her squad of famous friends. This is one account you don't want to sleep on. Number 2. Ariana Grande. This gorgeous pop star is a pro when it comes to achieving a look that blends cute and sexy and has mastered looking flawless on camera at all times. On Snapchats, Miss Grande can often be seen cuddling with her many dogs, taking hilarious videos with her besties, and on occasion giving flowers a sneak peek of what she's currently working on. Thought you get plenty of sexy shots of her star. Perhaps the most enticing content is just for having fun, dancing and living her life. Whatever Grande is doing, she make it look good. Number 1. Jennifer Lopez. Jenny from the blog knows how to get your attention with her Snapchat post. This definition of a diva with flaunt her curves give you a backstage pass to her concerts and even provides a little insight into her daily life. With her adorable twins often by her side and her trips around the world doing tours, there is always something exciting going on in her life, granted to keep you entertained 24/7, but don't let her age or family life fool you. Jennifer Lopez has still got it and she's posting some steamy snaps to prove it. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest interesting facts update.